Multistrada 1260S Touring delivers everything it promises and, in my opinion, it damn well should. For a price tag north of $22,000 you, the consumer, should be getting everything you want in a motorcycle. Back to one of the first questions I posed, why not get the base bike? For a scant $18,700 you can still have the new engine and new chassis, so why not? The upsell is $2,300 to the S, in red, plus $1,400 for the touring, and $200 for the gray paint on my test bike, which ends up at $22,595. That's a no joke, at nearly $4,000 more than the base bike, but I still say it's worth it. If you want this burly beast of a sport tourer, then you want the quickshifter, the color dash, LED headlight, luggage, center stand, and the fancy suspension. You can think the Multistrada is ugly, or doesn't sound good, or is too big. Opinions are good to have. As far as delivering an exciting and capable grand touring experience, the Multistrada 1260 succeeds in spades. It would probably be a perfect getaway vehicle, too, if you happen to be up to no good.